Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Richest. We have been talking about bitcoins and other forms of cryptocurrencies for some time now. We often forget the fact that it happened only because of the internet. Given the fact that cryptocurrencies are digital currencies and can only exist online, we seldom think about the role the internet plays in the rise of cryptocurrencies. If not on the internet, there is nowhere else to mine and transact with cryptocurrencies. It is Web3, or to be more precise, Web 3.0. So, what exactly is Web 3? Without any further ado, let's dive into the video to find out more about Web 3. What is Web 3? Web 3 is a new age World Wide Web that is still in development, and there is a lot of buzz and speculation about it. It's not a particular product that a company or a tech giant is working on. Rather, it represents a series of changes made to the existing algorithms to improve the established World Wide Web. The World Wide Web has already evolved from Web 1 to Web 2, and soon it is going to transition into Web 3. So what exactly makes Web 3 different from its predecessors? And how exactly is it linked to cryptocurrencies? Well, when the first cryptocurrency was introduced, the world didn't meet Bitcoin for the first time. It was introduced alongside a new technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology that doesn't require any authentication from a company or an individual. Now Web 3 is leveraging the same blockchain technology to make the online activities of every individual in a more safe and secure environment. Cryptocurrencies and Web 3. Every time we hear a discussion about Web 3, it also opens a discussion about cryptocurrencies. But why is that? Well, we've already established that Web 3 is going to use the same technology of cryptocurrencies, that is, blockchain, but what Web 3 will allow is for its users to make transactions with cryptocurrency as a default medium. This will reduce the power of the established banking system and also fiat money. Also, with Web 3 in place, cryptocurrencies are an ideal option to make or receive payments. Being a decentralized ecosystem, the user can have full control over his or her activity, and most importantly, they are more secure than ever. Is Web 3 necessary for an average individual? Upon knowing about Web 3, this is perhaps the first doubt that arises. To answer it quickly, yes. But why? Today, we are almost at the peak of the digital revolution. Almost most of our lives are run by the internet. In a world where we are so connected and depend entirely on technology to survive, the privacy and safety of our personal information becomes an issue. Now this is something a lot of people are concerned with all across the globe. There is no guarantee that our data is safe on the internet. Of course, all big tech companies are striving to provide a safe and secure online ecosystem for their users, but there is only so much one can do about it. If we are that concerned about some simple data of ourselves, then what about our finances? There is no saying how secure our finances and transactions are online. This is where Web 3 and cryptocurrencies enter the game. As we are using decentralized technology, no one company or organization has a hold on the information of anyone. More than that, no one has authority on such matters. Web 3 and cryptocurrencies will ensure the most safe and secure transactions as compared to today. Now that is something we can all get behind. Web 3 is still in the developing phase, and there is a lot of discussion going on about it right now. From using AI tools to establishing a decentralized online ecosystem, it has also faced a ton of backlash. But if we weigh the pros and cons, the pros certainly outweigh the cons. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Richest.